Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. On my channel, I share my love for luxury, planning, and travel. So today I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, as you can see here, and this is a piece that I'm just kind of on the fence of keeping. It's a coveted piece, really hard to find, and a lot of people love it, but honestly I just don't necessarily need it at the moment, but I did see it in stock on the Louis Vuitton website and just made the purchase. So recently I've been posting when hard to find items are in stock on the Louis Vuitton website on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on there also if you aren't already doing so. You know, I'm actually kind of curious to see how is this packaged due to the shortages of boxes and dust bags and things like that. I've seen a lot of horror stories about people getting their items in bags and then in the dust bag, so let's go ahead and see if I got lucky. Something that I also want to mention is I do love Louis Vuitton's packaging. They do come with this adhesive strip right over here so that in case I do want to return this piece, I can easily package it up and send it back to them without a hassle. And here is the receipt. And I did get a box. And I did get a dust bag as well. And as you can see, this is the Toiletry Pouch 19. So this one is the mid-sized toiletry pouch in between the 15 and the 26, and the measurements are 7.9 by 5.9 by 2 inches. And it's made of a monogram canvas with a golden brass, if it would focus, golden brass zip closure and a leather tab right over here. And these pieces can be made in, if it would focus, oh my gosh, and these pieces can be made in France, Spain, Italy, or the US. And as you can see, mine is made in Spain. So the wonderful thing about this piece is that just like my Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, the inside is wipeable, and so you can put your makeup in here and also other toiletries, and you don't really have to worry about ruining it, because if you do get it dirty, you kind of can just go ahead and wipe it clean. And I have seen people get organizers for this to line the inside, but personally I don't think that I will be getting one if I do keep this piece. So I really do love this piece. I think it's super functional. I see a lot of people use it to carry like their electronics, their daily essentials, and obviously their makeup. One of the reasons that I'm kind of undecided about keeping this piece is because I'm not probably going to get that much use out of it right now. I'd also love to carry my planner things in this, but I think this one is just a size too small. I would have to go with the Toiletry Pouch 26 because, as you can see, my pens won't fit. Well, this one will, but my highlighter, this one is just too small and it would have to fit at an angle. So what do you guys think? Do you think I should keep it? Do you think I shouldn't? Should I return this one and get the size up? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!